Whenever I start working with some heavy programs like Filmora or multitasking, the laptop fan goes high speed, and this is what you hear. And that's basically the reason why I got this. If you're using an older computer that is prone to overheating, meaning it gets so hot that it shuts down or reboots, or even maybe you have these new slim laptops and you might have to multitask with some heavy apps, then a cooling pad may make enough of a difference to squeeze some more usability out of the machine. Hi YouTube, in this video we'll be unboxing and reviewing the LIENS Laptop Cooling Pad. But before starting, we're gonna check out the product details stated on the box. Only thing we've got here, strong core, it's got 2 fans, super silent, and it comes with some blue LED. Right here on the sides, we've got nothing on this side either, nothing on all 4 sides, but here at the back, some more information about this item. Here, more specs, color. It comes in black, white, blue, and pink. Materials, network rail plastic. Fan dimensions, these are the dimensions of the fan, 140 by 140 by 15 millimeters. Air volume, noise level, rated voltage 5 volts, power access, USB 2.0, and operating current is 0.22 volt. So without further ado, we're gonna open the box, check it out, see the build quality, and you guys can decide if it's worth the money. So what comes in the box? Basically 3 things, and that's it. Guarantee a USB cable. This is a USB 2 cable, not a USB-C and not a 3.0. It's a USB 2.0 cable, and you've got the unit. Those are the 3 things that came in the box. Talking about the unit, let's talk about the material. So you can see the wire mesh. This wire mesh is made of metal. We've got 2 USB 2.0 ports here. Put it on or off. It has 2 large fans. And the stand comes with 4 adjustable height. It also comes equipped with a detachable non-slip baffle. This is gonna help prevent your laptop from slipping off or prevent your cooling fan from slipping. So we're gonna connect this dude here, connect it to the computer. So it's off now. What I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna turn it on. Cool. So you can see the 2 fans, they're activated. You can barely hear the noise. This here controls the speed of the fan. Listen, it's off, on. Now I'm gonna increase the velocity. Quite cool. The idea of these blue lights is that they're gonna let you know that the fans are running. Otherwise, there's no way you're gonna know. So because you can see it's quite quiet.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that.
So the LIENS Laptop Cooling Pad is a great gift for home, office, work, games, suitable for most laptops. It supports between 12-inch laptops and or 15.6-inch laptops. The idea is to reduce computer temperature. You can also easily carry it around as it weighs just about £1.65, which is less than 1 kilogram. And since it's flat, it's quite ideal to transport in a backpack or in a briefcase. If you're thinking of getting one of these shipped to wherever you are and you want to know the box dimensions, let's see what the dimensions are. So this is about 36 centimeters, which is about 14 inches in width. In breadth, 25 centimeters, which is almost a little bit below 10 inches. And as per thickness, we have almost 4 centimeters thick. Remember, we're talking about the box, we're not talking about the item, the unit itself. Hope you found this video helpful and have given you enough information on the LIENS Laptop Cooling Pad. I appreciate your time watching it. Please let us know what you guys think about the cooling pad in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.